Hey, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center here in Fairfax. I have Natalie here today. Natalie has been here for 3 years now. She started here with scoliosis at age of, Mom, what age was she at?
13.
13. So now she's 16 almost, right? Are you 16? Are you? No, you're 16 now. Okay. So she's 16 now and basically had scoliosis. She had to start with about 9-12 degree scoliosis. The most it got up to is 15 degrees. The biggest thing we wanted was make sure it doesn't get any worse. So we've been kind of going after it, working on her neck, and as you've seen in the other videos, going after the neck, making sure the neck is not straight, and then adjusting her every so often. So now let's go face down, let's go ahead and check everything. Natalie's really active. She plays lacrosse, so we didn't want to take that away. And what else sports does she play, Mom?
She used to play field hockey.
So making sure everything is straight, adjusting her certain ways, doing vibration plate, doing muscle stem on her, and then giving her stretches that she does at home. And always check her ribs. In fact, she has a big game today, right?
Yeah.
Oh. All right, let's have this side up. Right? Nice. Same thing, other side. We've done this so many times, it's like we don't have to talk about it. Let's go face up. And Natalie is a varsity at a freshman, so she's a really good player. You ready? And one last thing, let me back here again. Sorry, I messed with your hair there.
It's okay.
Deep breath for me. All the way. One more, relax. There. Got it. Go face down, just check, make sure it hits. So yeah, so now we do vibration plate, and then she's done and she's ready for a game. Until next time.